we are going to learn in computer how to do paint. I think so. You all must be knowing well about for revision. Follow these steps. I think so you know well how to do your painting, isn't it? Is that no, children?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Now we are going to learn what are the tools we are using there, isn't it? How to use the tools as well as color for doing your creative painting. That part today we are going to see. Okay, I'll share now. Now I'm going to open the paint, Windows Paint now. Okay, can you see now? Children?
Ma'am,
Yes. Is it visible?
please louder, ma'am. I can't
Is it
hear your
visible?
voice. Yes, ma'am. Visible.
Visible. Okay, now am I audible? Now am I audible?
Yeah. Ma'am, please louder.
Okay, children, that's why I'm asking, am I audible or not?
You're audible only, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. Okay, ma. Today we are going to learn Windows Paint. I think so. You know well these kind of or tabs how to utilize that part, isn't it? Again, we will recollect by following few steps how that we have to make us more perfect. Got it? Shall we do now? Yes. So the first, if you see that one here, yes. So what are the tools in Paint we are going to see now? See here, pencil tools. So pencil tools, can you see the pencil tools? Then eraser tool, then brush tools, then what are the line tools, then text. How to make a text that we are going to use by this tool, then selective tool, isn't it? So these things that we are going to see now. Then quick accessories, quick access tools. If you see that one, quick access tools on the left side of the title bar, isn't it? So which one is save? This part is save. This one is undo, then redo, etc. So on the left side of the title bar, there is a small bar that contains the buttons like save, undo, as well as redo. These used to use when quick access toolbar. If you want to do some sort of work quickly, so we can use that one, isn't it? Paint button. So here welcome the paint button located on the left side and below the quick access toolbar. This one is paint button. When you click on the button, if you click on the button, you can see the which one already if you saved anything, you can take from that one. That one that we used to use that paint button. Some tabs, home tab. Can you see that one home tab? Tabs in the paint program home as well as view are the two tabs. How that we are using that one. Here home tab, here you will see all editing tools in home. This one that only that we are seeing the
Ma'am, not.
yes dear, I'm coming there. Now is it visible? Children, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes dear, yes dear. So which one we have seen? This part is yes, Kana. Here home that you will work with the paste, cut, You see that one, paste, cut, copy, that is in the clipboard. Got it? Then crop, resize. I'll tell what are these tabs are. Then rotate, then fills, select. So these things are come under the home tabs. Well, come to the view. So if you come here, so size which, that means if you are selecting any, which one? Line. So what's width you need? What is the size you want? By that we can draw by using the, which one? Pencil. So that part only size is there. While come to the color. Color, there are color 1 as well as color 2. Color 1 is the foreground color. Suppose which one I selected here. So foreground color, that is the border of that one. Suppose I am taking this part, circle. Got it? Any shape. Now, if you see that one, color of the one, the foreground color is black here, isn't it? If I want to change the outer, which one? Outer area, border. So if I would like to change green, so immediately that shape border has been, will be changed. So that only we can use this foreground color, that is in color 1. Got it? While come to the color 2. What is the color 2? Background color. So what is the background color in the sense? Suppose here only white, that white, so the background of that part is only white. If I'm going to change that one, what color? You like pink, well, no? So for the background color, if you click that one, go for the yellow. So if I'm going to take away this part, I'm going to cut this one, how will you know that is a background color? So now the background is only yellow. Shall we see where is the background now? How will you get that one? So I'm going to take a rectangular shape. Here I'm going to cut this part. If you can see, because already what color we have given in the background, isn't it? Yellow. Very good. Now I'm going to take. Can you see the yellow there? So defaultly that it has been given their background, which one already we have selected there. Suppose if I would like to select green there. So now if I cut some other area, see now what color will be visible there? Green. Got it? By this way only that we will utilize the color 2. That is the background color of that screen. That means drawing area. So far what we are doing there, what are the drawing purpose, which area that we are using, that we used to call as a drawing area. Got it? Suppose I'm going to take as a background is blue. Got it? Suppose I'm going to cut this place or take away. So now I selected select all because I'm going to cut fully now. Now what color will going to visible now? Do you have any idea? Because background is now which one? Blue in color. Now got it? What is the use of that one? Isn't it? Suppose I would like to go to the previous one. Which one so far we did? Because what is quick access toolbar? Where is the quick access toolbar? Because I would like to go to the previous one. What should I do? Undo. Otherwise control Z. Undo or control Z. So if you click the undo, that is
Ma'am, how do they erase these colors, ma'am?
yes, Kanna? Yes, ma? Okay. Undo
How
is
to erase this color?
okay. That's why I'm going to say that one. Suppose if do you want to erase that one, what to do? Got it? Suppose undo the sense you can go the previous one, which was the quick access toolbar. We can go the which one is previous. Suppose do you want to erase particularly one part? I'll show that one. Got it? Suppose because foreground color, what we have seen that is border color, green is there. So only green color is going to be applied. In the middle, I'm going to draw the star now. So I would like to change this star. That means the star, which one outer color it seems, I'm going to change as a red. So first you have to select that one color one. Color one is going to change as a foreground color. That means border one in yellow. Can you see the difference? Which color? So based on that only we can select. So we can change the border of the given object or given shape, whatever in the sense. Got it? Now I'm going to fill this inside that star alone with yellow. So what should I select there? Bucket. So which one to select the bucket? If I would like to choose fill there. Got it? Particular area. Suppose I would like to fill the full rectangular. Again have to select. Got it? By this way you can color your which one? Taken object or taken shapes. So by this way that we have to select that one, select a given shape there. Then you can select the background color or foreground color. You can choose that part. Then next what we are going color palette. See that one color palette, which one already we have seen then. Color one, color two. What is the use of the color one? The color one always be to change the on the left side shows that active colors are foreground colors. You see that one active colors are foreground colors. Which one helps to click on the color one box and then click on the desired colored in the color palette. So this part we used to say as a color palette. What is the edited? If you see the edit colors. So instead of particularly taking this exact maroon or red or which one yellow or green. Suppose if you want to select any edit color, mix of green as well as blue. If you want to select this one, okay, so we can apply this. So can you find the difference between these two greens? So by using that bucket, we can fill the which one? Background color also. So by this way only we have to color our which one is the drawn one. You have to color your objects there. Okay, otherwise shapes. Then what we are going to see? Flip or rotate. So I'm going to take how to do the flip. Suppose I'm going to flip this given rectangular. Can you say find the difference between rectangular and can you see that one? Flip horizontally. Otherwise, flip vertically. Quite opposite of that one. If do you want to rotate them in 180 degree. So if I take some other shape, you can easily identify that one. Suppose I would like to cut particular what star alone. How should I use this? Which one tool there? So I'm going to select. So for to select the shape or particular area, so you have to choose the select. You see that one again there. If you click the select, then you see the rectangular shape. This is defaultly that you can get that one. So again click that one. So you want to select only. So I'm going to cut that one. So what is the background? If you see that one, which is the background color already in the color 2, that is red one, you know. So that part only that we have seen there. Got it? So by this way only we can be utilize these kind of tools there. Yes. Suppose if I want to go to back, which one already we did. So what is the key we have to press there? Quick access. Which one that we easily go back? Quick access toolbar. Where there? Undo. If I click that undo, you can go previous one. Otherwise, you can use the which one? Key. Click Z. Click Z also, you can get the previous one. So those who are having your which one? Computer system, you are utilizing that part, try to do that one, children. Yes. Now we have come the previous one which have been started day. So instead of this that we are going to take some other which one? Shape. We'll do now. Yes. Now I'm going to take that star there. If you see that one background color is, what is the background color there? What is the background color? Red. Got it? Now I'm going to take, which color do you want to be in the background color? Blue? Yes. Now background is in blue color. Got it? Now we are going to change the foreground color. Shall we make it in? So if I make which one? Another star. But I've given the foreground is black. That's why the second star is the color of which one? Black. Got it? Suppose do you want to cut the star? Suppose do you want to cut in symmetrically? What is the symmetrical? Pranavi, can you tell me what is the symmetrical? What is the symmetrical? Pranavi, are you hearing? Children, are you hearing? Children, are you hearing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. What is the symmetrical there? Symmetrical. So symmetrical means if you cut any shape, that has to be both side has to be equally shaped now. Because which one already we learned in maths? What is that one? Fraction. If you cut any shape or any object, all part has to be equal, isn't it? Similarly, now we are going to try in where? In this star. Now I'm going to select this shape. Yes. Got it? I'm going to select this shape. So I'm going to draw a line there. Got it? Yes. So now I'm going to cut this place alone. So to cut, what we have to do? First you have to go the select. Under select, you have to take the rectangular shape, in the sense you have to choose. Yes. Now this part alone I'm going to cut now. Yes. Because if you see that one background is in the color of blue. Now I cut the half of the which one? That green star. So where I'm going to paste somewhere else. Suppose I'm going to choose here this drawing area. So now I got half of the star there, isn't it? Isn't it? So both are equal part. So if I again going to paste together is. So if you select separate, if you see both are, suppose I'm going to twist that one. See children, I'm going to twist the cutted one. I'm going to twist now. I'm going to twist this part. 180-degree. Isn't it? If both are equal in the sense, how can we represent that as a symmetrical? Got it? Again, I'm going to twist in 180-degree. By this way only you have to rotate the taken object, taken shapes there. Suppose do you want to flip in vertical, horizontal. Got it? By again, if you join, you'll get the symmetrical one. So, do you know the difference between symmetrical and asymmetrical? Suppose if I cut 3/4, not exact one. Okay, I'll do that one. Another shape. Suppose that we will take this star, that yellow one, sorry, red one. If we cut the, is it symmetrical? Wait, I'll clear the portion there. Yes. If you see the background color, what I've changed there? White. Isn't it? So that's the reason that we got white background. Okay. Now we are going to try to see whether what is the asymmetrical. Yes. Yes. If you see that one for this, which one is left side or compare with right side, both are symmetrical or asymmetrical? Both are, isn't it? Not equal. Asymmetrical. So that is not equal, isn't it? So what is the difference between symmetrical and asymmetrical in the sense? Symmetrical means both side, if you cut that shape, both side has to be equal. Can you give that a life, which one is the real life example? Is there anyone, can you give the real life examples of the symmetrical one? Butterfly. Did you see that one, butterfly? Butterfly is a symmetrical object. Then Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal has been constructed by like that only, isn't it? You just check in your Google. What are the symmetrical one? So on the day that I shown that one in the max one, so which one is egg has been cut as a equal part, cake has been cut as a equal part, isn't it? So these are the symmetrical. Both side has to be equal. So now we are going to draw the tangram now. Tangram has many shapes or pieces that can be combined in many different ways to create a different picture. Now we are going to do by using the given shapes are, shall we draw now? You just also try there. Those who are having that laptop or computer, just try it, children. Now I'm going to start that part. How to make a new picture by using different shape. If you have the paper, that means any rough note, can you try to with me? Yes? Yes, we will do now.
Mama, you have Mama, you have
Yes, children. Yes, try to take take.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to just I'm going to draw this part. You have to find what shape is it. What is the image of it? Please, ma, can you mute now? Okay. First, you have to take rect, square. If you have, children, listen. Please, ma, can you mute your mobile? Who's that? Sanjana Shri? Please mute your mobile there. So take If you have notebook, please draw that one square. Then again, which shape would like to take? Yes. By using line, I'm doing the base.
Voice is not audible, ma'am. It's not audible. Not audible. Ma'am, your voice is not hearing.
இல்லையா அவன் கரெக்டா சொல்றான் சரி.
We cannot hear you, ma'am. Ma'am, we cannot hear you, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot hear your voice, ma'am. Ma'am, we cannot hear your voice. We cannot hear your voice, ma'am. You are in mute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you are in mute. Your voice is not audible, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not audible. Audible, ma'am. Your voice is not audible, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am. Your voice is not. You are muting. You are mute, ma'am. Ma'am, you are there? Ma'am? I cannot hear your voice, ma'am. Ma'am, you are there? We cannot hear your voice. Ma'am, voice is not audible. உங்களுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா அப்படியே 12 மணி கிளாஸுக்கு Yay! Ma'am, I cannot hear your voice, ma'am. Voice is not audible. Ma'am, your voice is not hearing. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I can't hear your voice, ma'am.
I am your voice, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot hear your voice, ma'am. I can't hear your voice, ma'am.
Voice, ma'am.
Hear your voice, ma'am. I cannot
இப்ப பசங்க பேசுறாங்க
Hear your voice.
Ma'am, I cannot hear your voice.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, children. Now, what is the shape of that object now? Children, tell me what shape is that? Maybe the picture has been created there. What shape is that? What picture? Rabbit. Very good. Isn't it?
This is not
Now, am I
audible,
audible? Now, am I audible?
You're audible now.
Dear.
Yes, ma'am, you're
Now-
audible now.
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. Can you try to do that one? Are you doing? Is there anyone? Are you trying there? Now I'm going to color this different shape with different colors. Shall we make now? Just see that one. Which one? Body has to be gray. No. Gray is not good, no? Yes, we can change the color. Pink. So it is also pink. That's the reason it has been what? Merged within that. Again, we will change the color. You can see there. So what I did so far? So what is that one? Quick access. Suppose if do you want to go previous one, which one you did? So what button we have to click there? Undo. Otherwise Control Z. Got it? So if you click that Control Z, you can move the which one? Previous what you did. So do you want to give the different color for this one? Yes. Yes. What did you say this one? What it looks like? Children, what it looks like? Am I audible, ma? What it looks like, I say something.
Rabbit.
Very good, rabbit. Did you anyone draw that one? Did you anyone draw? Did you anyone draw the? Children, did you anyone draw? So by using pencils, by different size, if you want to make us a little bit thick, so you line. So the given differ. Which one has been given? Line has been different size as well as shape. You can be utilize that one. Shall we make some other one? Butterfly. Shall we draw the butterfly now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Yes, try to do that one. You also have to do. If I ask you, you have to unmute and show the children at the end of the session. That 5 minutes is there. I'll ask you to show that one. Okay, now finally we'll try now. Which shape has been taken there? Yes. The same one. Yes. Then the same picture.
Correct.
But you have to rotate it 180 degree. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. Yes, Kana. Otherwise, shall we
drawing
make a
same.
yes. Otherwise, shall we make one puppy face? Okay. Yes. Yes, children. So, if do you want to color in different background color? You trying the okay? Shall we make inside that which one pattern? Do you want to make any pattern inside the puppy's body now? See that one pattern has been created there. So do you want to save the text? So this is 3C as well as 3D children's, no? So I'm going to save in the name of okay. Now we are going to zoom them. So this option is zoom out in the sense you have to minimize that picture. If you want to zoom in, so it should shows us a enlarged one, isn't it? By this manner that you can utilize that part. Got it? Yes.
ma'am.
So view one, Lali, you can view your which one you drawn there. So if do you want to save yours, so how will you say? Save option is there on the quick access, isn't it? So there you have to go and click that save, control, otherwise click the control S button. So if do you want to save, just give your name or class C and C and D. Got it? So now we have saved that one. If you see that one, can you see there? So whose picture is this? Class C as well as D children. Those who did that one, class C as well as D children did this one. If you want to check again, if you want to take your picture again, where you have to go? File. Save there. If you go and search, you can find that one. Open. Do you want to take your picture there? Just give your name there. Class. You can take. You can find your. Okay, very good children. This way again you can open that one. Okay, I would like to show see your pictures. Did you? Anyone ready to show that one? Please, children, can you please open and show that one? Are you ready to